Hi everyone. The ultimate expression of power and style. The Road Force is, without a doubt, one of the most radical and impressive customizations in our entire Fat Boy collection. This motorcycle represents the pinnacle of our customization capabilities, transforming the iconic Fat Boy into a machine that exudes power, style, and precision engineering. Like its sibling, the Black Apple, the Road Force has undergone a comprehensive custom treatment that preserves the signature features of the Fat Boy, such as its distinctive tank and fork, while pushing the boundaries of design and performance to new heights. From the moment you lay eyes on the Road Force, it's clear that this is no ordinary Fat Boy. The transformation begins with a single-sided swing arm, a radical departure from the stock setup that not only adds a sleek, modern aesthetic but also significantly alters the bike's stance and handling. The massive wheels, Big Speed 9 to 21 inches at the rear and 4 to 23 inches at the front, further enhance the bike's aggressive profile, giving it a commanding presence on the road. These wheels are more than just a visual upgrade, they redefine the bike's proportions, making it look both more muscular and more refined. The Road Force's appearance is further elevated by its matte lacquer finish, a subtle yet sophisticated choice that allows the bike's design to speak for itself. The discreet graphics, expertly applied by the renowned Ingo Kruse, add a layer of depth and complexity to the bike's aesthetic, giving it a unique and polished look that is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. This masterful paint job is the perfect finishing touch, rounding off the bike with a level of detail and craftsmanship that is truly second to none. One of the standout features of the Road Force is its short, tight fenders, which give the bike a compact and aggressive look. These fenders, combined with the air ride suspension system installed at both the front and rear, allow the bike to achieve a true lowrider stance. With the press of a button, the Road Force can be lowered to hug the ground, enhancing its already formidable presence and giving it a stance that is both intimidating and stylish. But the Road Force is not just about looks, it's a high-performance machine built for those who demand the best. The air ride suspension ensures a smooth and controlled ride, while the custom brakes, including the Big Speed floated 300mm brake disc, provide the stopping power needed to tame this beast on the road. The Thunderbike Flip 2 handlebar offers precise control, and the Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde exhaust system gives the bike a deep, throaty roar that perfectly matches its bold appearance. Parts and upgrades include: Air Ride Suspension Kit. Allows for adjustable ride height, giving the Road Force its signature lowrider stance. Ignition Coil Relocation Kit. A custom touch that improves both functionality and aesthetics. Rear Wheel, Big Speed 9 to 21 inches. A massive wheel that redefines the bike's proportions and adds to its aggressive stance. Front Wheel, Big Speed 4 to 23 inches. Complements the rear wheel and enhances the bike's overall appearance. Front Fender, 23 inches fiberglass. Sleek and stylish, this fender is designed to fit the large front wheel perfectly. Rear Fender, steel 206, 21 inches. Adds to the bike's compact and aggressive look. Chin Fairing, GP Long. A custom piece that enhances the bike's aerodynamics and style. Brake disc, Big Speed floated 300mm. Provides the stopping power needed for a bike of this caliber. Single side swing arm by Thunderbike. A radical modification that transforms the bike's handling and appearance. Handlebar Thunderbike Flip 2. Offers precise control and a comfortable riding position. Front turn signals stripe LED. Modern and sleek, these turn signals are a subtle yet effective upgrade. Grip Space Rubber. Ensures a comfortable grip for long rides. Toppers Torque with logo. Custom touches that add to the bike's unique look. Pulley Big Speed. Complements the custom wheels and enhances the bike's performance. License Plate Bracket Inside Plate. A clean and stylish solution for mounting the license plate. License Plate Lighting. Ensures visibility while maintaining the bike's sleek appearance. Airbox Cover Torque with logo. A custom detail that adds to the bike's overall aesthetic. Derby Cover Torque with logo. Another custom touch that showcases the bike's unique design. Timer cover new custom. A small but significant detail that completes the bike's custom look. Front axle cover, swing axle cover left. Complement the overall design and add finishing touches. Fuel tank to seat cover. Ensures a seamless transition from tank to seat, enhancing the bike's sleek lines. Exhaust, Dr. Jekill and Mr. Hyde. A high-performance exhaust system that provides both power and an unmistakable sound. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, known as the Road Force, is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of what's possible when passion, innovation, and craftsmanship come together. Every aspect of this bike, from its radical design to its high-performance components, has been carefully considered and expertly executed. The result is a machine that not only looks incredible but also delivers a riding experience that is second to none. Whether on display or on the road, the Road Force is a true masterpiece in the world of custom motorcycles, a bike that commands attention and respect wherever it goes. Thanks for watching.